Thanks for joining us this week on Hubbart Wood. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, that like button, all that good stuff. On this video, you're going to see several different time lapses, some quick stuff, and how these were made. So check it out. Smash the like button, tell all your friends. Welcome back to Hubbart Wood, and what a long winter it's been. Man, welcome 2022. We got this massive project to do for Compton Creek Bloodhounds right here locally. They got some really cute puppies. So we got these oak logs that they brought to us for the project, and it had this huge rot spot we had to work around. And you'll see we're battling the winter, the elements, everything else. Skid steers broke down, so a lot of back labor going on right now, and you can tell I'm out of shape from the winter, and just had an injury pushing a car out of the snow trying to be nice. But there we are, we're making it work just by hand, me and my beautiful wife. But I'm going to show you some of this time lapse here. We got several time lapses in this video, so stay tuned. We got an eagle, an owl, this dog. You're going to really like it. So, oh, and I'm going to cut all these pictures of the sky out when my camera fell down due to the winds, so you don't have to go through that. We got this Dina's Speakeasy sign out too, so. So then it was time to take it into brie, and a lot of times it really helps me find the carving if I can find its face a little bit better and see the face to help proportion the rest of the carving. So brie does a tremendous job on the fine detail stuff. As you can see here, that face is really coming together out of the wood. These bloodhounds are really interesting. You're gonna have to check out Compton Creek Bloodhounds. They have ancestry that tracks all the way back to the Civil War. A lot of times while Bree's working on detailing, I'm off to another project, which this one sold along with an owl for somebody's birthday this week, and we couldn't be happier to help be here for that. So at that point, the dog was back into some detailing for Bree to do the paws and some of the other details with the wrinkles and add some character to it. So I was off to this project of making two tables. Actually, they're going to be bars that come off of a guy's man cave. These are posts that are going to be holding up the live edge table. So we got an eagle and an owl here. It is literally great to be back. Great to be back outside working, getting sawdust all over. As you can see, we're just so blessed to be able to do this with my wife and her with me. And so thankful for everybody that supported us for over the years. So thanks for watching. It's only going to get better from here. Again, we're located here, 265 Springfield Road, Hillsboro, Illinois. You can see some of this cool detail here. These little hawk, or the claws here on the owl. Owl turned out really cool. These are both, once again, these are going to be end tables, tables at a man cave. So there's the eagle there. Those are both out of cherry. And then this is a massive bloodhound out of oak for the Compton Creek Bloodhounds. So stay tuned. We got one more to do for that, and we're going to do a together project with videos and pictures of their puppies and all that good stuff. So make sure you stay tuned, smash the like button, come back and see us now. There you have it. A couple cool projects. We are really trying. I'm really trying to work on the content for this channel. I know this video is absolutely treacherous. At times it was worse than the dry eyes commercial. So I'm working on it. I want to build it up to be more of a storytelling, more not just long bits of time lapse. Unless you guys like the time lapse, I would love some feedback. Love to hear some more stuff from you, but definitely gonna try to make it more like a TV show, if that makes any sense to you, where I'll start interviewing some of the people or the clients and some of the things and some of the projects that we're doing, so there's a better base story and things like that, you know, so we can get millions and millions of subscribers on YouTube, and we'll just have to do, like, you know, 10 carvings, 12 carvings a year. It would be a rough life. But anyway, the main thing is content. I want to make content that people thoroughly enjoy. Maybe should I describe more about what I'm doing, show more what I'm doing, or whatnot. But anyway, your general input is definitely valued. Definitely, we would love to hear from you. So make sure you leave a comment, whether you're watching this on YouTube, on Facebook, or something like that. And as always, don't forget to share. Make sure you share. It's how we get out there. As a small business, local artist, just trying to make it, every share helps, every view helps. We have people coming here now from all over that's seen a video or someone share or seen our stuff through way of somebody showing them on here on social media. So thank you guys so much that have watched, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for joining, and tell all your friends.